All right, as you can see, we have moved on to lesson 29. Our objective for this one is now dividing a 4-digit dividend by divisors of 2, 3, 4, and 5. We may or may not have remainders, and we may have to decompose up to 3 times. Before I do that, I do want to address this one problem because you guys seem to be having some trouble with this. This problem is asking you, what did I originally solve? So in order to figure that out, you actually have to solve for the area. Since the area is this space, you actually have to add all that up. So you're going to add up 49 plus 14 plus 1. So 49 plus 14 is 13, carry the 1, 63 plus 1 more is 64. So you really solved 64 divided by 7. Go ahead and figure out this next one. I'll give you some time. All right, hopefully you determine that you have to figure out what those two add up together first. And hopefully you figured out it was 108. Then you have 3 little remaining pieces, which you also add in, which would make it 111 divided by 9. All right, so now for the actual lesson. Oops, sorry about that. This is division by 4 digits. Now you might start to freak out a little. Don't. It's not any more difficult. So we put our thousands in, our hundreds, our tens, and our ones. We're dividing by 3 groups, so we break into 3 groups. We pass out our thousands first. I have 1, 2, 3 thousands that can go out with 1 remaining. I had 4 thousands divided into 3 groups, 1 time. 1 times 3 is 3. I have 1,000 left, which is true. I have to unbundle it. How many hundreds are in 1,000? You're right, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I added my 10 hundreds plus my 2 hundreds, and I have 12 hundreds. See how I brought the 2 down? Because I originally had 2. If I pass those out equally, again, I'm going to do it quickly because you guys have done this enough times that you can see how to do it, and you don't need me to break it down step by step. I have no remaining hundreds. I have 4 in each group. 4 times 3 is 12. Subtract that. I have nothing. But I'm not finished. I still have tens and ones. I need to bring down my 3 tens, which of course I can share out evenly because I have 3 groups. 1 10 went in each group. 1 times 3 is 3. And now I have just 5 remaining ones. If I pass those out, 1, 2, 3, I have 2 remaining ones, but obviously no more numbers, so that is my remainder. I had 1 in each group, that's why I put a 1 there. 1 times 3 is 3. If I subtract, I should get 2 is my remaining, and I don't have any more space. So it'd be remainder 2. And I can check it by saying 1,000, 4 hundreds, 110, 1 1. 1,411, remainder 2. And of course you would check it by taking your quotient, multiply it by your groups. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 110 is 3 tens. 3 times 400 is 12 hundreds. Carry that 1 extra, which is equal to 10 hundreds or 1,000. 3 times 1,000 is 3 thousands, plus 1 is 4,000, plus 2 would give you 4,235, which is what I have. Just one more step. If you kept adding numbers here, you would just keep bringing them down each time. Good luck.